Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need about 9 blueberries, 9 pineapple chunks, and a small bunch of grapes. You will need to slice your grapes in half. You can use a knife or your teeth, and make sure to leave one of the grapes whole. You can see I have put my ingredients off to the side, and I'm going to start with my pineapples first. I'm going to dump them out and arrange them in the center of my board. The pineapple chunks are going to be the fins of my fish. I want to arrange them so that some of the pieces that are different sizes fit together better. So it's like kind of doing a puzzle. Find the pieces that work the best for you. I'm going to start to arrange my fins in different ways. I want to use more pieces for the tail fin because that's going to be the largest fin. I then can use my other pieces to make the bottom fin, the top fin, and the middle fin. Your fins may look different than mine, and that's okay because we know that being different is awesome. I'm also leaving one pineapple chunk off to the side to use later. Next, I'm going to grab my grapes. The grapes are going to be the scales of my fish. I may have some extra grapes and I can eat them later. I'm going to start by doing the outline of my fish first. It's going to be kind of like an oval or an oblong circle. As I do my circle, I'm going to make sure to leave a little bit of an opening for the fish's mouth for later. My next step is to layer the grapes to make them look like scales. I'm going to fill in all of the white spots and use any to put on top if I need them. I have one blank spot where I'm going to put the eyeball of the fish. I'm going to make the eyeball by using the whole grape that I have and a small blueberry. To make the eyeball, I'm going to bite this grape in half, but I'm going to do it the opposite way of how I cut the other grapes. I'm going to put it in the blank spot and put the blueberry on top. I'm noticing that it's not sitting very flat, so I'm just going to adjust this grape here and then nibble the bottom of the grape again. Num num. Now it should sit flat with the blueberry right on top. I think that I also just want to use half of my blueberry. It will fit a little better on the grape. You can choose to do the same if you want to, or use your blueberry whole. It's up to you. My last step is going to be making the mouth of the fish using the final pineapple. I'm going to shorten up the pineapple just a bit by taking a bite. You'll see it's a little shorter, and then I'm going to pull the pieces apart to make 2 little separate lips for the fish's mouth. Did you know that pineapple is a cleanser of mucus? So if you're feeling a little stuffed up, try eating some pineapple to help you feel better. My final step is to make some blueberry bubbles coming out of the fish's mouth. I'm going to make mine into a curvy line, but you can make your bubbles coming out of the fish's mouth however you want. It's your fish and it's your choice. Have fun! How did your fish turn out? Can you imagine it swimming in the ocean or a lake, flapping its fins and puffing its gills and blowing sweet bubbles out of its mouth? We hope you had fun creating with us today. We're so glad you're here. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right. You can find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. You can also subscribe for more Snack Animal fun. Bye!